Hey, how's it going? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. And if you subscribe to my channel, you know that that's the same thing I say every single time. I'm in the process of changing it up so I don't sound like a freaking robot. But anyways, a quick message. So one of the programs I'm in, Impact Mailing Club, actually has a promotion that is coming up on February 21st. I think today is February 19th. So in 2 days, and I just wanted to give you guys a heads up in case you want to get in on this promotion, put some money together, what you need to do. But essentially, you can get in at higher levels for the price of a lower level. So let me share my screen so I could show you visually, since some people like myself are better visual learners, so it'll make more sense. All right, so this is the form. So when I'm sending out flyers in the mail or putting out my advertising online, this is the flyer that people will get when they want to sign up. So the promotion that is going on right now is if you come in at $100, which is the lowest level, the Emerald, you will actually get in for the 250. So you'll be able to earn up to the 250 position, even though you come in at the 100. That's the promotion. The same thing happens here. You come in at a Sapphire, which is 500, and now you can get people in at the $2,000 level. So essentially, what does that mean? You can come in as a Sapphire at $500, and from day one, well, I should say once the promotion is over, but okay, so once the promotion is over and the prices go back to regular, even though you came in at $500, you can still get people in at the diamond level and earn $1,000 commissions. So you can earn commissions that are 2 times the amount you paid to get in, which is really excellent. I would really strongly urge you to get in on that offer because you're just going to position yourself so much better. Because let's think about it. If you've been waiting to get in on this or waiting to look for a program, but it's like, oh, it's always so expensive, I can't afford $2,000. Well, now you don't have to, because on February 21st, and I don't know how long it's going to be open. Maybe it's just for a few days. As a matter of fact, let me just check my phone because I know my friend told me about that earlier. So let me just go to that conversation. Okay, let's see. Starting February 21st. Ends March 6th. Okay, perfect. So you actually do have a little window there. So February 21st is when it starts. March 6th is when it ends. You can get in the diamond position, which is a $2,000 position. You can get in for only $500. And now after March 6th, if anybody gets in after that and pays the full $2,000 to become a diamond, well, guess what? You're going to get a $1,000 commission. And if you join me, which is the whole point of this video, because I want you on my team, I'll get a $500 commission. And what is the bonus for being on my team? I'm so glad you asked because I can read minds like that. So what is the benefit of joining Nick's team? Well, I'm going to build you your own website so you can not only just market offline, you can market online as well. So my team gets a website like this. I'll just, let me just put in so you can see what it does. So Nicholas.yahoo.com show, and then it'll redirect. So you get that landing page, and then you get this capture page. You could always change this video, or if you want to use my video, you can do that. All right. And then you get this beautiful web page that does all the selling for you, all the bullet points, all the nice copywriting and everything. That's all done for you. Okay. And like I said, if you click on any of these, it'll just take you to the form, and then you would obviously replace it with your form. So there's my name, there's my friend who's my sponsor. We're building this business together. There's her name, and then there is the company. So let's just say that you're like, you know what, Nick, let's do this. I want to come in as a diamond. Well, good, but you only have to pay $500, not $2,000. So you would send $300 to me, $100 to my friend Marianne, $100 to the company, and then that's it. Once all that gets through and processes, guess what? You are now a diamond, and that's exactly how easy it is. Now, on the flip side, if you're like, Nick, I can't afford to be a diamond, don't worry about it. Come in as an emerald, and you get bumped up to ruby. So that's pretty cool too, right? So you can start at the bottom level and get bumped up one level. Now you're positioned to make $250, or you're positioned to sell the $250 ruby product and make $150. So either way, and like I said, I'm going to develop a program here that is going to really help the people at the $100 level. So don't feel like just because you can only get in at 100 that you can't make this work. You can make this work, because there was another program I got into for 30 bucks. There is a position at 500. I got in at 30 and built it all the way up. And I've made close to $1,000 there, starting with $30. So I want to let you guys know it is possible. I did it in that program for a specific reason, but I can bring that logic and that strategy here. And that's what I want to do to help people that might not have the funds. But I will say that if you're in a position and you can get $500, do it now so you can get in at the diamond position. So anyways, going back to the website, when you click any of those, it'll just take them to the form. And then, you know, your sponsor, this will be your picture and it'll be your information. And if you don't want to put your phone number, don't worry about it. You can do that. I have this way. So if people want to connect with me on Facebook or Skype, I want to give them every possible way to get a hold of me: phone number, email address, Facebook, Skype. And then even here, there's a video of me saying that, listen, if all of this still doesn't make sense to you, if you still need a little bit of help, just go ahead and click on this. You can set up a 15-minute phone call with me, okay? And they just pick whatever date is available. And that's pretty much it. And then I'll get on the phone with them and I'll close out your leads for you. If you're on my team, if you directly signed up under me, you could use my video, you can use my calendar. I will close out your leads for you. When they get on the phone with me, I will ask them, show me your flyer. When they show me your flyer, I'll see that it's your name there. And obviously my name would be in the second position because I'm your sponsor. So I will close out those leads for you. Why? Because number one, I want to help you succeed. Number two, there's an added benefit. You are on my team. That's why I like this program. It has tier 2 sales, right? There's other programs out there that they only pay you. There's no above, there's no below, there's no pass-ups, nothing. This is the best program I see for team building in direct mail, because it allows you to take an effort to help your team out. A lot of programs, you know, you might get their first sale or their third sale, and then after that, they get the rest of their sales. There's no incentive for you to help them after that unless you're just a very nice person, right? But in this business, as long as you are underneath me and as long as you're working, and the same goes for you, as long as your people are underneath you, you have an incentive to help them out, because every time they make a sale, you make a sale. So if you build a big enough team, and I talked about this in a video I made a couple of days ago, is that as long as you're building a team, let's just say something happens in your life and, you know, you're really busy, or, you know, you went back to school, there's a funeral, you went on vacation, whatever the case may be, as long as your team is working, when you get back home, there's going to be envelopes waiting for you with tier 2 payment. You're going to have cash in the mail waiting for you in envelopes. So how cool is that, right? That's why I absolutely love this program. On top of that, you'll be in a Facebook group with me. You can ask me questions. You can reach out to me. But the biggest benefit of joining my team is to get this website and the fact that I'm willing to close your sales out for you. So if you're in a position where, Nick, I've got a full-time job, I've got kids, I'm just really busy, don't worry about it. Just send out your flyers, send out your postcards, put your ads online, learn to do a little bit of Craigslist marketing, which we'll teach. And when those people go to this webpage and they sign up or they click on the request callback, they'll go on my calendar and I'll close out those leads for you, right? Just make sure that those people touch bases with you first. You know, well, actually what will happen when they request callback, I'll get an email anyways, and I'll reach out to them right away and say, hey, I saw that you had requested a callback and you scheduled it for this time and this day. I just wanted to know on your flyer if you can send me a screenshot or let me know who's in your box 1. They'll let me know and then I'll just close them out for you, okay? And like I said, if you don't want to do that, you can just put your video in here and you can request your own callback. I use, what is it? Acuity scheduling, that's what I use, but you can use anything. You can use Calendly or whatever you want. That's just what I use because I use it for several different businesses. That's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to tell you, is that if you want to make money in the mail, learn direct mail marketing, be a part of a team that actually does care about you. I have 5 years of internet marketing experience. I have a wealth of knowledge that I can teach you about email marketing, social media marketing. There's different things I can help you out with. This would be a great team for you. And especially, you know, I work directly with Marianne, and, you know, we're trying to build this up together as a team. So hopefully you like what you have seen. Hopefully it makes sense. And also, I keep forgetting to tell this whenever I do a video, you get stamps in the mail too. The reason you get stamps, so when somebody signs up, they'll send you cash and they'll send you a couple of books of stamps depending on what level you get in at. And the reason is that because stamps are expensive, right? So when you send out those next flyers, wouldn't it be nice to have a stash of stamps ready to go? So that just helps you bring down your cost, and then you can just focus on your printing cost, whether you're doing postcards or whether you're doing. And the good thing is, so a flyer is going to be whatever a stamp is, 50, 55 cents, whatever the case is. A postcard is actually cheaper, but if you put a stamp on it, then that's fine. You overpaid for postage, but it's okay because those were free stamps anyways. So you could print out a whole bunch of postcards and send those. Sometimes postcards work better than flyers. I personally like to use flyers because I can get more information on there. Because what I like to do on my flyer is put my photo, also my YouTube channel, because I want people to go to my YouTube channel, watch my videos, subscribe so I can keep marketing to them. And on a postcard, sometimes you kind of run out of real estate, but I like to mix it up. I do a little bit of postcards, a little bit of flyers. So however you want to do that. So anyways, that is all from me. If you have any questions, leave a comment below in the comment section. Let me know where you're from. Let me know what you learned. If you have any questions, I'd love to get back to you. Love to engage with people on my YouTube. And then feel free to add me as a friend on Facebook and email me if you need to. If you have any questions, I'd like to get those answered. So again, February 21st to March 6th. That's how long this promotion is. Again, the promotion, if you come in at $100, we'll bump you to $250. If you come in at $500, we'll bump you to the $2,000 position. Okay, so that's so you can get in at a lower cost, but after the promotion is over, you can earn at a higher level. So that is it for me. Again, my name is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas, and hopefully y'all are doing well, and I would hope to see you on my team soon so I can help you earn some money in the mail. Take care. Bye-bye.